So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. I will start with a slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 2. I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the last stitch, chain 1, 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and 2 single crochet in the last stitch, chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch, chain 1, 1 single crochet in the first stitch and every stitch, and 2 single crochet in the last stitch. So basically the increase is happening in one side only. So whenever you finish the row with 1 single crochet, you start the row with 1 single crochet. Whenever you finish the row with 2 single crochet, you start the row with 2 single crochet till the end of the width you require for your triangle, asymmetric triangle. As easy as that. So 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch till the end, chain 1, 1 single crochet in the first stitch in every stitch, and 2 single crochet in the last stitch. Single crochet. I'm gonna continue the same way, and this is how the triangle looks so far. You can go further with the rows or stop here depending what shape you want and what project you're working on. So instead of working from here up, we are working from this side and upwards this way. So it gets bigger on one side and it gets straight in one side. So this is a different way of making a triangle. So I'm using medium worsted yarn with 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. I'm gonna start with a slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 2. Two single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, 1 single crochet in every stitch, okay. Chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitches, chain 1, single crochet in every stitch. So basically for this pattern, one row is increase and one row is single crochet. One row is 2 single crochet in the first stitch and single crochet in every stitch, and one row is single crochet throughout. So refer to the written pattern if you need to, but it is very easy. So here we did 2 single crochet and 1 single crochet in each. In this row, chain 1 and single crochet in every stitch. So the difference between the previous triangle and this one is taller, which make the rectangular larger if you add another triangle to it. The other one is like wider. One triangle is wide, one triangle is thinner and taller. So depending on the project you are making, you choose which triangle is good for you. And you keep repeating the same, like we said. One row is single crochet throughout, and one row is 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet throughout. How you will know which row is 2 single crochet? It's the one you always do, the 2 single crochet. You'll always come back to it at the end of the row of the 1 single crochet in each stitch. And this is it, 2 single crochet. You just continue the same until you get the width required of your triangle. So I hope both tutorials are easy to follow and useful. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care, bye bye.